Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Nelson Jam, and in this episode we are going to look at uploading of your biometric data. So you have pulled your cards, you have captured the students, taken their passport, and many other things. Now everything is done. Your school has collected the reports, which is generated from this place. You've generated your report for the school. Let me close this. So this is the first report, the list. In the second report, Waec requested this year that the students, I'm not sure if it's Waec because my state ministry requested this, the details, allowing each student to view their photo card containing their biometric information. So with this information, the students are supposed to sign on this form, countersign against the data that is provided. That way Waec knows that the student are approved that you should upload this. And the subject analysis, these reports are to be printed for each school. Whether or not you are taking it to the office, you are supposed to print this and review it before any issues. Then after you have printed this report, you would now take it to the Waec office. Probably they would need the list which contains the total number of students you have. And if you notice that this large box here shows government, because Taraba State students have for the government students in the public schools, they have been sponsored by the state governor to write the examination for free. So this means that any student in that school is sponsored under the government. Then others are parent sponsored. That's, I'll show you how it appears from the upload of other schools. So I'll just show you that in a bit. So now after you are done with this, all you have to do is come to administration. That is, the Waec has already supplied you with your PIN. Waec has already supplied you with your PIN, so this process follows. Administration, online upload. The first option should be the sign up. Since all of us are new, we would sign up. So I want to show you the information required during the sign up. Make sure you are connected to the internet. You can see that my system is online. So the PIN given from the Waec office should be entered in this place. It will automatically validate and then show the name of the school, the school type. The PIN that is generated should be able to read which type of upload you want to do with that. So next is the school address, then user ID, password, question. In case you've forgotten the passwords, these are just standard procedure for retrieval of passwords and other things. The surname of your exam master, the first name, the other name, then the school phone number. Most schools don't have a separate phone number. Then we have the principal's phone number, the examination officer's phone number, then the school email address. So all this information should be entered correctly, please. If you miss the email and the phone number of this exam officer, you would be unable to retrieve any data from Waec. So make sure that these informations are correct and entered correctly. That's the only way you can be able to resolve issues. Don't use virtual informations. make sure you create an email if they don't have one. So after you've entered this, just give me a bit. I would get a pin. So thank you for waiting. For security reasons, I'll just show you the pin, the validation of the pin, but other informations I will just pause from there. I'll just reopen when it's time for me to upload. So what are the informations required? One, I would need to enter my pin. So my pin is going to expire as soon as I put in this pin and create the account. So this pin is generated, it's going to auto load, then the secondary school name, type of school, the school address, and other things. The window gets open. So I'll show you what happens after I create my account. So after you have entered all your information, you are going to have this pop-up, sign up complete, and from here we'll just OK, and then it brings us to this point. Remember your username and your password, you would always need it. In case of any issue, you would have to log in multiple times. So I want to upload all because I don't have the time. Do you wish to continue extraction of 159 entries for this school? Okay, this is where the problem comes. I'm supposed to have 194. So I'll just move from here. Okay, I'll quit this application because I need to update something. I'll pause the video and show you when I return. So like I told you, after every issue, if you go back from the login, you have to always log in. Only about login. So just don't worry, this costs you nothing. So go back to uploads, get data. Yes, so you see that the data came in alphabetically, which means the system rearranges it. So if you have any issue, you have to go back and check by the name. So let's click the upload and just wait. It's going to take time to upload one candidate at a time. Remember, it's reading from the database, or it's uploaded. So this is how all of them will follow until all the candidates gets uploaded. And if there's any issue, it will always bring up a fail or success report. So from here you won't have any issue. I'll pause the video here. If there's any issue that comes up, I'll show you how to resolve them in the next videos.